Hello, my name is Austin Baird. I'm with 3HCI. We're a platinum level PTC partner. And wherever your company is in their digital transformation journey, we can assist you in leveraging PTC software to design and manufacture your products better and faster with the traceability that's required in today's market. Today, I'm just going to be covering licensing for Windchill. PTC has an updated license portal that has launched recently, and I'm going to be covering how to generate the license file and import it into Windchill, using this new system. So to start with, I'll just start for my Windchill system. And in order to do the licensing for Windchill, you need to be logged in as the site administrator. Out of the box, the username is WC admin. But logged in as the site administrator, if I go to site, utilities, and license management, it's where I can manage my Windchill license. And we need some information from here in order to generate the license file on PTC's website. And mainly that is this license host ID, this string here. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. And from there, I'm going to go to PTC's website, the license page. So this the license management area in Windchill, like I was saying before, this is updated, so it may look different to how it appeared in the past. And the easiest way to get to this license management page is, well, from the support homepage, this being the support homepage, under popular tasks here, there's manage licenses. And that takes me right there. And for this new licensing dashboard, so navigating this whole area, I'll just note that there's this link here, license management guide, that will give you sort of detailed instructions on any of these sort of actions. And there's a number of different ways to do the same thing, in this system, but I'm just going to show, the one way start to finish. And, with the licensing hosts for my Windchill system, what I need to do first is create the licensing hosts in this license portal. So if I go to licensing hosts, you can create a new licensing host. And the new sort of paradigm is to create the licensing host and then add the licenses to that host. And that goes for both Windchill and Creo. Right now we're doing Windchill. We'll just select standard license host. And that Windchill device ID that I copied gets pasted in here. And we'll want a host name for the system. So you can go ahead and input that in there. I don't think it matters too much if it's an actual host name or just some sort of identifier, but put that information in and click next. All right, so I've created my host. And the next step is to assign licenses to that host. And just to make things quick, I'm just going to pull some licenses from a specific sales order number. But there's, different ways of filtering all your licenses down, either by products or by any of the fields. I'm just going to quickly add filter for the specific sales order number that I'm going to pull from. And I'm going to expand from 10 lines in the table to 100. Also, I'm going to apply the Windchill product filter because I'm noticing there's some Creo items in here as well. I'm just going to select some of the most popular sort of licenses that we see: Windchill Base, Advanced, Creo Data Management. So with those items selected that I want to assign, I'm just going to go ahead and select a number to assign to this host. And of course, you could be more granular and choose certain numbers of each individual license, but in most cases, you're going to autofill the same quantity or do the full quantity. And with those assigned, made it pretty nice. I can just go ahead and click Retrieve License File, and I get a download link. So what was downloaded is a zip file, and what I need is actually the bin. So I'm just going to go to that folder and extract them. And with that extracted, I'm ready to import my license from a file. I want to note that this is the only way that I recommend doing it. The retrieve license online is sort of outdated now that the new licensing portal is in place. We really want to manage the hosts and assign the products to them. So this is the only way I recommend doing it. But I have my bin file. So browse to that bin file and process the response. And that's about it. So in summary, there's the new license portal on PTC's support site. There's the new sort of paradigm of managing the products by license hosts. So if I don't already have a license host created, I would need to create it and then add the licenses to that host. And after the products are added to that host, I can go ahead and retrieve the license file. We saw that, adding the licenses for the first time, it gave me sort of a direct link to do that. I can get back to that download link by coming to the host details of the new host that I created. And there's retrieve license file. So if we needed to just update the license file, like after product renewal or something, that's how I would do that. Just come into the license hosts and retrieve the license file and go ahead and upload it to the Windchill server. Yeah, thanks for joining me. I hope this was helpful. If you have any additional questions that arise from this, feel free to reach out, and thanks so much.